Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to clear the recent section in your Google Drive account. For instance, if you'd like to free up some storage in your Google Drive account or get rid of the most recently uploaded or shared files and folders. With that being said, drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Google Drive, and what you want to do guys is take a look at that panel here to the left. And here you will see a section called Recent. That is where all the most recently files and folders are listed, starting from today, then going back in time like last week, last month, earlier this year, or older, and so on and so forth, so chronologically sorted. So what you want to do guys is start with the most recently uploaded or shared file, which in this case is this one here from today. So to delete it, simply right click on it, select Move to Trash, and repeat the same process with any other file you would like to delete. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select all files here in the recent folder and delete them all at once by clicking on one of them with your right mouse, and after that select Delete or Remove. And in the final step guys, make sure that you delete these files permanently from your Google Drive account. To do that, head over to the trash folder and click on anti-trash here to the right to get rid of these files once and for all. That's it guys, hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.